Good morning, students. You are most welcome in this particular maths class. I would like to begin with the term digit. First of all, I ask you a question. Is 10 a digit? Some of you may answer yes, and a few may answer no. The student who is in favor of no is right, because 10 is not a digit. 10 is a numeral, consists of two digits, namely 1 and 0. Now consider the term digit. What do you think of 1? What is 5? This is a kind of symbol. Nothing, this is a kind of symbol. So we can say the symbols which are used to form numerals are known as digits. In the light of this definition, we can write from 0 to 9. From 0 to 9, the symbols are digits. It means there are 10 digits. Out of them, 0 is the smallest one, while 9 is the largest one. As there are so many words in a dictionary, but all words consist of only 26 letters from A to Z. Similarly, crores of, millions of, billions of, trillions of numerals are formed using only 10 digits from 0 to 9. So always remember that there are 10 digits from 0 to 9. 10 itself is not a digit. Now one more thing. Numeral and number name. For number expressed in digits is called a numeral, while number expressed in word is called a number name. Is this term clear, student? I think in the international system of numeration, ones period, thousands period, millions period, billion period, million, billion, under ones period, we have ones, tens and hundred. Under thousands, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. Under million, million, 10 million and 100 million. In this period also, in the similar way, billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. It means in each period we have 3 digits. 3, 3, 2, 8, 8, 7, 5, 9, 6, 4. 4, 6, 9. These 3 digits come under one's period after leaving a little place. Next 3 digits 5, 7, 8 for 1000 period. 8, 2, 3 for million period and 3 for billion period. Or it can be read as 3,328,875,964. This is the way of writing a numeral in the international system of numeration. Now, I would like to teach you how to convert a number in the international system to a number in the Indian system. Look at here. This period once, this period 1000 and here million. This is 1 million. And now you have to convert million into thousand. How many thousands make a million? Or how many thousands are there in 1 million? How will you answer? Simply you have to divide. And you have 1 million. So divide 1 million by 1000, since you have to convert into thousand. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 1 million is being converted into 1000. So 1 million must be divided by 1000. 0, 0 cancel. What do you mean by 1 0 from the numerator and 1 0 from the denominator? To be cancelled. It means both numerators and denominators have been divided by 10. Once again, 1 0, 1 0. 2 0 from the numerator and the denominator have been cancelled. It means both have been divided by 100. Once again, 1 0, 1 0 means 3 0 from the numerator, 3 0 from the denominator have been cancelled. Means both have been divided by 1000. Whatever remains is the answer. We remain with 1000. It means 1000 thousands make 1 million. We can write there are 1000 thousands in 1 million, or 1000 thousands make 1 million. In this way, we can convert million or billion or trillion in the any form of Indian system of numeration. Are you satisfied? I am sure you must be satisfied. the largest two-digit number, the largest three-digit number, the largest one-digit number, you have to put 9. Well, the digit number 19, two-digit number 29 means 99, three-digit number 999. Similarly, you can write the largest number of one digit, two digit, three digits in this form, and the smallest one digit number, two digit number, and you have to write 1 for one digit number. Now put 1 0, increase 1 0. Similarly, you can write the smallest number of one digit, two digit, three digit, whatever you may have. Often it is observed that the students fail, some students fail in express numerals in number name or number name in numerals because they don't know, they don't have knowledge of periods. You must have the knowledge of periods either in the Indian system of numeration or the international system of numeration. First, consider the Indian system of numeration. Here we have ones period, thousand period, lakh period, crore period. Under ones period, we have ones, tens, and hundred. Under thousands period, we have thousand and 10,000. Under lakh, the same, lakh and 10 lakh. Under crore, crore and 10 crore. While writing numerals using comma, we put comma leaving 3 digits from right side first time, and then after every 2 digits, as for example, we have to write this number using comma. Ones, two, tens, zeros, 6. This is ones period. Now period differs, we have to put comma. Next period for 1000 separated using comma. Again 5, 7 for lakh period, 4, 3 for crore period, and 2 for arab period. In this way, we can write in the Indian system, and very easy to read 2 arab 34 crore 75 lakh 89,602.
Starts.
Dear students, these are questions you have to solve as your homework. these numbers have been written in words. So these are number names and you have to write numerals. It means you have to write in digits. And before solving this question, before writing numbers in words, you have to remind all the facts or periods. Once again, I would like to write and mention here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. This is for Indian system. And ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. This is for international system. You must keep these two facts in mind before solving such questions. First one, 3,004,086. As here we have million term, obviously this is related to international system of numeration, and therefore we have to follow this path. Here from right side we have 86. 86 means 6 ones, 8 tens. 100 cipher. Now 1000. First is 1000, 4000. 10,000 cipher. 100,000 cipher. And then million. Here we have million 3. In this way you can write. Next one, 2,05,000. 5 lakh is related to Indian system of numeration. So we have to follow this part. Once again from right side we have 5. Only 5. 5 ones. Now it requires tens. There is no 10 cipher. 100. No 100. 1000 we have 5. 10,000 cipher. And then lakh 2. In this way, you can solve these all questions. Okay? My dear students, perhaps you are familiar to these terms. Even then, I want to remind you successor first. Successor. The number which comes just after the given number is called its successor. Now, you may be asked, how will you find the successor of any number or of a given number? You must answer that after adding 1. It means we can find the successor of a given number by adding 1 to this number. And similarly, predecessor, you can answer, and now it lives upon you. For write the definition of this term predecessor, you have to write yourself. But I am explaining the definition of this term predecessor. The number coming just before the given number. Here we have the number coming just after. We have to write just before. The number coming just before the given number is called its predecessor. Once again the question. How will you find the predecessor, the given number? You have to answer that after subtracting 1, we can find the predecessor of a given number. These two terms are clear. it has been left for you to write the definition. Ascending and descending order. Ascending order. Ascend means climb. Ascend means climb, and we climb up from down to up. It means starting from, or we can write from the smallest to the largest. The order in which numbers are arranged or written starting from the smallest to the largest. This is known as ascending order. Its other name is increasing order also. Increasing order. And the reverse of this order, descending order, from the largest. Descend means come down, from up to down. From the largest to the smallest. And other name of this order is decreasing order. And you may be asked some questions based on fill in the blanks by greater than, smaller than, or equal to. And I think you can do, or you can solve such questions. But I doubt whether you will be successful in solving the questions like this, as I am going to write on the board. Write the greatest number of 9 digits using number 1, 3, 2, 1, 4. Number 2, 4, 2, 8, 6, 0. Number 3, 1, 2, 5, 7, 4, 3. Write the greatest number of 9 digits using these 4 digits. You have to use only these digits. There are 10 digits in all, but you have to use only 4 digits. And there must be a number of 9 digits, and it must be the greatest one. Always remember that while writing the greatest number of digits, use the greatest digit of most. We have 4 out of 4 digits. We have 4 the greatest one. So it must be used most of the times. However, we have not to neglect other 3 digits. At least one time they must be written. We can write 4, 4, 4, 4. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Now 3 digits remain. How to write these 3 digits? to make the largest number, obviously in decreasing order. 3 to 1. Now this is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have a number of 9 digits and by using only 4 digits. We can't write any other number greater than this number fulfilling all the conditions which are required. And in case of the smallest number, suppose that write the smallest number of 9 digits using these 4 digits. In that case, we have to use the smallest digit most of the time. Here we can write here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Now remains 3, 2 and 4. And since we have to write the smallest number, so that the remaining digits should be arranged in increasing order. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have a number of 9 digits using the 4 given digits and fulfilling the requirements or condition terms. In this way, we can write. And now, in the second one, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. You have to write 8 is the largest digit, so it must be repeated more than other digits. We remain with 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. 9 minus 4, 5. So 8 should be written 5 times. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. And now 4 places, 4 remaining digits. And since we have to write the greatest number, so the remaining digits must be arranged in descending order. 6, then 4, followed by 2 and finally 0. In this way, you can write or you can solve other questions which I am going to write here. 3, 2, 7, 4, 9. 8. 2, 6, 3, 5, 0, 1. These 3 questions are for you. You have to write the greatest number of 9 digits using these given digits, and you can solve since I have clarified this one. Now next, given digits. One, 0, 4, 3. The smallest number and the greatest number. No digit should be repeated. It means you have to form the smallest number of 4 digits using the given digits. While writing the smallest number, the general rule is to arrange all the digits in ascending order. 0 is the smallest, then 1, 3, 4. But since 0 is invalid here, so it is replaced after the second smallest digit. 1034. This is the answer. The smallest number using 1043 is 1034. So always remember 0 should never be written the leftmost part of the number, because in that case it is without value. The greatest number, we have to arrange the digits in descending order. The greatest digit is 4, followed by 3 and 1, finally 0. This is the way. Means for writing the smallest number, digits are arranged in ascending order. While writing the greatest number, digits are arranged in descending order. But problem creates while writing the smallest number when there is 0. So to solve this problem, the second or 0 is placed after the second smallest digit. That's all.